I just got this pack of 92 balloons, and it came with some extra things, which I'll tell you about in just a second. The balloons have two 18-inch ones, 24 12-inch ones, six 10-inch ones, and 60 of 5-inch balloons. It also comes with some 3/8-inch ribbon that is on a roll, and I really have no idea how long this is. It is just a really thin roll of ribbon. It's kind of silky looking. It also has 5 sheets of little sticky, uh, basically a little bit of glue on them, a little sticky, so that you can stick these together or on a wall. And there are 20 different dots on each of these 5 sheets, so you have 100 of those. I couldn't figure out what this is. This is actually to help inflate the balloons so you don't have to hold them and then just keep going and going. So it doesn't work in the 18-inch balloon because the opening is too big, but from 12 inches down, it does work. You just put it over the end here, and then you can blow into it, and it holds it. It holds the air in. So if you start getting out of breath because you've blown up so many, it'll hold it for you. And then when you're ready to tie it, you just take it and go ahead and tie it up at that point. Pretty cool to have that. I'd not ever used one of those before, and that would save a lot of time. So these are really a quality latex, and I love that. They say to go ahead and only fill it up to 90% versus all the way out, so that you lessen the possibility of them popping. They do have a really great sheen to them once they're blown up. I really like that as well. They can be blown up with air or with helium. It does not come with the arch that is shown in the listing. That is just giving you an idea of one way that you can use them to display. Overall, it's a really great set, and I'm really tickled with the quality of it.